Hello beautiful friends of YouTube. Today we have a really exciting video. I'm super stoked and I'm super excited to tell you guys what's been going on behind the scenes. I always tell you guys that I'm always working on something behind the scenes, and this is one of those things that finally came to fruition. It's one of those things that I don't really show on camera because it's a lot of me sitting at a computer and typing and doing all that fun stuff, but this one finally came through and I'm super excited to share with you guys. It's a new channel partner, so this is big time. Like this makes me feel like I'm up in the big leagues now. Like I'm big dog, I'm top dog, baby. No, I'm not top dog, but you get what I'm saying, right?
Hey guys, Editor Brett here. My mic disconnected for the rest of the video, so the audio is going to be pretty crap for the rest of the video, but please bear with me. I thought about going back and like refilming and all, but this is something you guys will see. This is something that I couldn't like refilm because my reaction would be inauthentic. So please bear with the crappy audio. Thank you guys.
Ta-da! Big reveal! Rowe Motor Oil is a new partner on the channel, and I couldn't be more freaking excited. And if you guys have never heard of Rowe Motor Oil, well, it's time to learn, baby. Mind my salesman style kind of voice right now. I'm just really excited about this, and I want you guys to be excited for me too, so let's talk about it. Rowe Motor Oil is a motor oil company based out of Germany. They make all sorts of oils, lubricants, and like gear oil, brake oil, antifreeze, all that kind of stuff. I said brake oil, brake fluid. They're pretty new to the United States. I think they came over to the United States relatively recently, but they're the best of the best, like legitimately. So I'm gonna open up these boxes and see kind of what we got in here. I honestly have no idea. I have a general idea of what we have, but I don't really exactly know. It's kind of like a fun game of surprise. Oh, nice. So we got some 5W40 for the 07 K-Swap BMW E30, as well as my 07 K-Swap Mark II, and my Audi B7 A4. So we're freaking covered. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 gallons of motor oil. All right, let's see what's in this box. Not really sure what to expect. Oh, I think it's more oil. Holy cow, dude, how much oil do we got? It's all 5W40 because that's all I run in the Mark II, and I'm gonna run this in the 07K drift car. What more do we got? We gotta have more motor oil, huh, baby? Is this a sign that, you know, your boy's gonna oil up? 100,000 subscribers on YouTube and I will oil up with Rowe Motor Oil. Holy cow, dude. This is all gear oil. Well, we got a freaking dozen quarts of gear oil, dude. This is the gear oil that I run in the O2J that's in the Mark II, and I'll probably run in the RX-8 transmission right there. This is 7590 from Rova. I'm super excited for this, dude. Oh, it's antifreeze. Heck yeah. So the really good thing about having like the same make and model for all of my cars is all of this is cross-compatible with all of the cars that I own. So this antifreeze I can run in the E30, I can run in the Mark II, and I can run in the B7. Freaking clutch, dude. Heck yeah. Let's see what's in this box. Is it gonna be gear oil? I'm having, oh wow, I'm stuttering, I'm so excited. I'm having a feeling that it's gonna be gear oil. Aha, I was right. Oh no, it's brake fluid. We got .4 brake fluid, baby, for the E30, the Mark II, and the B7. Heck yeah, baby. So we got 12 quarts of brake fluid. We got 12 quarts of freaking gear oil. We got how many? 8 gallons of oil. Oh wait, there's one more box. Oh, it's freaking oil, dude. What are you on about? What are we doing? This is ridiculous. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have a dozen things of we have a dozen gallons, 12 gallons of gear or freaking oil. I move a little bit throughout the shop because I have so many freaking boxes. I need to burn all the boxes that are in here. I don't know, but I did know what this is. This is a display rack, so we can look official, dude. We can put all the oil on like a display rack. I am so excited about this. All right, well, I guess that's how we're doing it. Stupid box. Let's put this display rack together and then figure out where we're gonna put it in the shop and then get everything put on there. I'm so stoked for this, dude. I've been like, as soon as I got this shop, I had like something like this in my mind. It's something so simple like a display rack, but I'm super excited.
Ah, the good audio quality is back. Sorry about that, guys. I hope you guys were able to bear with it. I don't know why it disconnected. I had everything plugged in correctly and everything was on, but here we are putting together the display rack. This is one of those things that's been in the works since like December, and I've been trying to keep it like under wraps and trying to keep it quiet, which honestly was really hard for me. I get really excited about these things and I just want to share them with you guys. It's kind of like birthday gifts. When I buy somebody a birthday gift, I get so excited. I'm like, that's a good gift, and then I want to tell them about it, but I can't. These are really good, high quality oils. Now I'm stocked packed up, I can just go and grab something off of this rack instead of driving to like an auto parts store and just picking up something there. This is going to make life so much easier, and they're going to be together with me for the rest of 2025 and the future. So I'm super excited about this. I can't thank you guys enough, and I can't thank Rowe Motor Oil enough. Rowe Motor Oil goes to a lot of like shows during the year, so hopefully they'll bring me out for one of the shows and I get to meet all of you guys, and you guys will be there, and it'll just be a fun, exciting thing. But now that I have this display rack in my shop, it makes me really want to like repaint the shop and redo it. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, like the video, and we'll do that. But we got one more box to open, so I'll show you guys that, and then yeah, we'll finish the video up.
Now in this box, it's more so just promotional stuff, but it's stuff that I can give away to you guys. Like we got some friggin' gym bags here, bunch of pens, bunch of lanyards. What are these? Dude, sunglasses. Hella sunglasses too. All right, well, I will be bringing these around to events that I go to this year and giving these away to people, and hopefully that I hope that's what I can do. That'd be really cool, you know. Have like a little booth set up and give away some products and stuff like that. It's just some free swag stuff. Everybody loves free swag. I love free swag, even though I never use it. Super sick, dude. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. All of you guys that support the channel. My Instagram, my TikTok, my YouTube, all of you guys. You're the reason why this is possible. And we got a hoodie. This is legit, dude. I'm gonna throw this on even though I'm sweating. I'm gonna keep all this stuff in the box though because I don't wanna lose any of it, but I am gonna grab a sticker because we are gonna throw it on the E30. All right, we're gonna put you, you're kind of bigger than the other stickers. We're gonna put you down here. These stickers aren't gonna stay because I am gonna get a livery, but I just wanted to put these stickers on right now as a way to show appreciation to all the people that have partnered with the channel already. Get out of here, Bubbles.
They also sent out this incredibly large banner, and I don't have the space for it on my wall yet, so I don't know where I'm going to put it in the shop, so we have to figure that out. So I just put it up real quick on like the little pegboard, and I'm going to take it down. We'll figure it out later. There we go. Rowe Motor Oil is one of the official channel partners. I'm incredibly excited to see what we can do together in the near future, and I want to thank you guys so much. Like all the support on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everything. Like this is the reason, you guys are the reason why this is possible. Short video today. I'm still working on getting the BC Racing coilovers installed, still working on the subframe and all that, the knuckles, everything. So that video is currently like going on in like, it's behind the scenes, it's happening right now. But I wanted to stop and film this because I was super excited and I wanted to show you guys. So yeah. But there you have it. I'm really upset that my floor is uneven here because it's leaning over. So now I got to take all this product off and then move it somewhere else. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. Drop a comment down below. I'll drop a link down in the description of where you can buy your Rowe Motor Oil, and it's the good stuff, baby. It's legit. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one. Good night. I love you.